I would like to ask you to think about an elementary student in your life. It could be a niece, it could be a grandchild. When we think of those young children, we tend to be reminded of their excited, ambitious personalities that their little bodies hold. Now picture the same student sitting in a classroom 5 days a week for 7 hours a day. I don't know your exact thought, but it might be close to mine. For the children, I think that is asking a lot of them to be calm and cool and collected for 35 hours a week. The following quote explains a deeper understanding of academic engagement. Instructional activities must be arranged so that students have an appropriate opportunity to engage in meaningful learning. Academic engagement will be evident when students are on task, focused on important issues, and concisely striving for learning. Children need to be deeply engaged in learning to achieve deep understanding. Academic engagement is closely linked to a student's commitment and motivation and to the nature of interactions with the classroom social system. Our elementary teachers need resources to accompany these wonderful students and their different behaviors and needs. Even though traditional learning styles have been working, I think it's time that we upgrade to a more interactive learning lessons for our students. To increase a child's interactive learning opportunities, the software Pear Deck is the best competitor for our school system. But what is Pear Deck? Pear Deck is an application that can add to any lesson plan to create an interactive instruction in the classroom. Like Kahoot or Quizlet, free tools we use in the classroom now, students can join the teacher sessions and follow along with their device. The teacher can add questions and flashcards and a variety of things to make sure they're on task and staying with the class. Additional features are flashcards, playing games, and practicing responsible digital citizenship. Depending on whether they have a paid or free account, teachers can also have handy control over other areas of the classroom experience. Today, I would like to discuss the impressive technology advancements that we have the potential of adding to our classrooms. It can benefit our students, our teachers, and our administrators. With Pear Deck, we have the chance to transform the classroom environments and create a more interactive learning for our students we personally know and love. First, let's look at the students. Pear Deck is easy for grades K through 12 to use. They can use it inside and outside of the classroom, and it's all interactive learning on real time. According to a study of Carnegie Mellon University, interactive activities are 6 times more likely to help a child learn. Pear Deck also involves social and emotional learning. Through the teachers, they can add on different things that allow the students to communicate with the teacher, whether that's in person or through the app. Pear Deck allows it to be a benefit to the students, and it allows them to feel more comfortable and welcome in the classroom. Next, let's look for our teachers. That Pear Deck allows teachers to use the application in ways that it makes an impactful lesson plan. It helps them design, assign, and deliver lesson plans. Along with in-classroom strategies, teachers can also use Pear Deck in remote learning. While using Zoom or Google Meet, teachers can share a link or code with students to allow them to join the lesson right away in their homes. This is very nice because we know in the area that we live, winter can cause unexpected issues with getting to school. So having Pear Deck for students and teachers can allow them to interact on the days we don't come physically to school. Pear Deck also has a lot of resources for teachers. I had a quick look on their website, and they have multiple lesson plan templates and multiple add-ons for their accounts that can be used inside the classroom. Lastly, let's look at our administrators. Having Pear Deck allows administrators to support teachers more effectively. It can be held by any software that the school already has, which is Microsoft or Google. It also gives the administrators a remote insight on the activity. They don't have to go straight to the classroom to see what's happening. They can see the results right on the computer. Pear Deck also allows teachers and administrators to schedule interventions and trainings to use Pear Deck more effectively in their classrooms. It also improves the school's climate and culture. There's more connection to teacher and peers. And according to the Pear Deck website, regular/low stakes retrieval practice reduces the anxiety in students. It can allow everybody to feel more comfortable and confident when coming to school to learn. Again, the 3 points we hit today were the benefits of the students, teachers, and administrators by the use of Pear Deck. I'd like to end with a quote. If we teach today as we taught yesterday, we rob our children of tomorrow. As school administrators, you have the power in the lives of those elementary students. Yes, there are many software applications for elementary classrooms on the market, but I think the software Pear Deck is the best competitor for our school system. Thank you.